With her saddle tank filled up, a top-heavy little Bess starts to trundle along the shed line. This Wren-class K. Stewart locomotive shows a surprisingly good turn of speed and acceleration in proportion to her own weight and size. These four-wheel converter sugarcane wagons with some flat spots on those wheels ride rather roughly, and the individual hand-wheel brakes recall the individually braked freight cars of early American railroading. Introducing the Peckett 060 saddle tank locomotive. She and a few of her sisters were successfully used at the Sina Sugar Estate in Angola since 1949. However, with the onset of civil war, production at the Sina Sugar Estate ceased and the railway fell into disuse. In the year 2000, Sina Sugar Estates was reopened, but the rail system was not, and the Pecketts were offered for sale. Although devoid of most of the motion and all the fittings, number 14 was restored by Lucas Nell and his team. The boiler has since been retubed and refurbished. At Sandstone, the number 14 steamed for the first time in August 2006. The sun has finally come out to stay by the time this ex-Sugar Estates Peckett saddle tank locomotive, number 2161, has come in for an afternoon service. While the locomotive is being turned on the triangle, Fireman Darby Fulloon runs ahead to adjust the points. Here you see Peckett and NG4. The Peckett is skillfully piloting NG4 while they're heading to Kurt Drive.